Well, thank you. I wanted to say a few closing remarks, and I just want to say, yes, well, let me just say that after that, there's going to be an industry session with the NSF here, and I believe they're going to ask all the academic people we can go over into the room with the posters. And then after that, at 6:30, there'll be a reception on the 17th floor of that fancy new building. It's at
665.
665 Compound, but if you just go down that way, you can't miss it.
Well, I think the industry session is just a short period, so there's still going to be posters and everything over there. So I hope we won't spend too much time with industry folks, because we want the industry folks to go and interact with poster sessions.
Yes, and then you had some.
Yeah, so I guess just general comments. We'd love to, it was thank you so much. It's amazing attendance. I think we counted like 100 people in the room. Participation from industry, participation from our peers, our colleagues and students. There's people being coming and going, so seeing this dynamic flow. It's really fun to see where this has gone from being about, cloud services to the hardware aspects that kind of come into this and storage, and it's just covered a totally different spectrum from when this project started, I guess, 10 years ago.
9 and a little bit. Yeah.
All right, well, 10 is close enough. I'm excited this expansion. We're still figuring it out of broader industry and broader faculty participation through the auspices of the IUCRC program, which gives us a structure to do this in. I'm really excited to get the industry feedback, both on individual work and how they all tie together, and then also as we go into that next phase of it, under the assumption, of course, that it's approved, that how we're going to sort of put together the RFPs and target it towards the groups of companies involved, and how we kind of focus things and get that, while we're seeing that interconnectedness that also ties into the production cloud efforts that Scott, walking way back in the other end of the room, we want to impact things from both drive innovation by the capabilities we're getting, but also then come back and impact the users that are ramping up onto this environment. So it's been a fun event. I get to learn a whole bunch about my colleagues' works that sometimes I don't always see until here. But any thoughts?
No, thank you very much for coming. And I guess for myself and the rest of the academic folks, we can join the poster session, and we'll be joined in a while.
Oh, the industry meeting is without us.
Right. Yes.
Oh, okay, sorry.
Yes. We'll join the academic folks. We'll join the poster session. And Drew or Kumar, do you want?
Oh, we're sitting here. Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay. So we'll be here for a little bit, get a general industry feedback, and then hopefully we'll join the posters as soon as possible. Because I think that's one of the things we want is a lot of that opportunity to go deeper into the individual projects from industry folks that can't happen, in the talks.
Thank you.
Actually, all the real compliments and clapping should go to Tara.
Yes.
Woo!